Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA Cardano. We can see here on the daily time frame that the price is still holding above critical levels. So as mentioned in the last videos, as long as we're holding the 58-cent level, this direct move to the upside is technically still intact. However, it is getting very, very messy and choppy, this structure. And certainly you can see it based on the strong sell-offs from the recent highs, that the sellers are still strong, so the buyers are not clearly winning, and we're basically moving in an overall range here at the moment, and the potential is that this extends further. So we have to watch the microstructure closely for important clues if the bulls are taking the lead or whether the bears are going to drive the price below key levels. Either way, these are the last two support levels, I would say, at 51 cents and then at 58 cents, which could which basically protect the yellow scenario. Because what would happen if we break below them? So break below that first dotted line would be already an indication that the bulls are failing. But it would take a break below the dashed line here at 51 cents to confirm further that we're heading down into the lower yellow support region. Because that means the entire correction is still extending. And we will likely then test the area of the October, September, and August lows between 29 cents and 35 cents. Structurally, that would mean that over the last, you could say, 6 to 9 months, the price hasn't made any progress, because it just means that the correction that we assumed finished here, and yeah, I mean, a local correction finished here in August, but we would have to assume that the correction never finished. It just extended. And when a correction is unfolding, there is no progress because this is not part of a trend. Yeah. So at the moment, the idea would be, hey, we completed a correction here and we're now moving higher, possibly in one more high into this area between $1.72 to $2.36. If things go really well, that would be in line with one more high on the Bitcoin chart. But that can happen very quickly when it happens. And then I would assume a larger degree top forms here. So that means there's a potential, a substantial price top forms. We could go to completely new lows. Or even this wave 4 in the white scenario would be very, very deep and has a potential to test the area, current price region again. Yeah. But either way, for now, the focus remains on whether we can avoid another dip into this yellow support region or not. And for now, the price is holding above these key levels. So on the smaller time frame as well, we are tracking currently a potential recovery. So let's take a look at that on the smaller time frame, on the 1 hour time frame here for ADA, for Cardano. You can see that here on this smaller time frame chart, the price is only in a sideways range. And easy to see, just sideways. And the market, shows a volatile price action up and down. But as I already said, without any progress. So all the rallies, all the movements to the upside have been corrective in nature. What does that mean? They have been in 3 waves. So the first rally here only in 3 waves. You don't see it that well, but if we were to zoom in, then you would see that more clearly. We had 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and this is also not really anything noteworthy yet from the low. So from that point of view, this is simply a sideways range. And for a first indication that the bulls are really serious and want to drive the price higher, for a first indication, a break above initial resistance is required. These are some standard resistance levels here, between 76 cents and 84 cents, and we're still holding below. So first step would be to break above these. Next step would be to form a 5-wave move up from the 10th of March low. In this correction, in this move down that started on the 2nd of March, in this move down, which is a 3-wave move, the price tested the blue zone, which is a target zone for this correction. 66.2 cents was a key target, the so-called 100% extension target. And we've seen a reaction, but now the price needs to break above 84 cents for further confirmation. Any break at this point below 67 cents would indicate that we're testing probably the 59-cent level next. Yeah? And then we'll have to see if the 58 and 51-cent levels hold. But you can see this is at the moment just directionless movement. we'll have to pay close attention to this resistance area as we are navigating through the weekend. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.